Take a look at this fruit basket. What is the best way to encode the information about the fruit names and the corresponding number of fruits in a Python program? You could store it in two different lists, where first list contains the fruit names and the second list contains the corresponding number of fruits. Turns out there is a better and more intuitive way of storing this information, that is by using dictionary objects in Python. You already know of dictionaries that contain words and their corresponding definitions. Similarly, Python dictionary objects contain keys and their corresponding values. Let me introduce you to the syntax of creating dictionary objects in Python. You use curly braces for creating a dictionary object. Inside the curly braces, you start out with the key. In this example, the keys are the fruit names, which are strings. The values are their corresponding counts. The key and the corresponding value is separated by a colon. The key value pairs are separated by a comma. Now, the key should always be immutable. Immutable objects in Python are the ones that cannot be changed, like strings, integers, floating point numbers, tuples, etc. Values can be any Python object. They can also be dictionaries. Python dictionaries are not sequential objects like lists. There is no inherent order of the key value pairs within the dictionary. So if you ever think of using indexes to access specific values in the dictionary, do not. In this example, here is how you access the number of apples. You write basket followed by the key within square brackets. There you go. To get the number of oranges, you write it this way. Very intuitive. Guess what happens if you try to access a key that is not present in the dictionary? It would throw a key error exception. Now let's say you ate a banana and you would like to update the count value. You can assign basket of bananas equals to 11 and the value gets updated for the key bananas. Now let's say you added a new fruit to your basket and like to add its key value pair to the dictionary. You can directly write it this way: basket of persimmons equals to 3. If you no longer want apples to be part of your basket, you can use del to delete the key value pair this way. Len function gives the number of key value pairs you have in your dictionary. The in and not in operators can be used for determining the existence of a key in the dictionary. If you use a for loop on dictionary, the iterator variable automatically fetches a key. If I ask you to print a table with fruits and their count, you would do it this way. For fruit in basket, print fruit and the tab space, and because the count is an integer, I'm putting that in a string. Perfect. In the list chapter, we saw that an empty list can be created using empty square brackets. Similarly, empty dictionary can be created using empty curly braces. Like lists, dictionaries have methods too. I will go over them briefly. You will have to play around with them to fully understand how they work. If you apply clear method on a dictionary, it clears all the key value pairs and results in an empty dictionary. I prefer using get method to access a key value from a dictionary because it does not throw a key error exception like the direct access. Instead, it returns the default value you specify in the method. If you like to examine all the contents of a dictionary and would like to import them to a list, you can do it using items method. The key value pairs are converted to tuples and are placed in a list. If you like to iterate over all key value pairs in a dictionary, you can do it this way. For fruit, count in basket.items, print fruit, count. Like I said earlier, you will need enough practice to internalize these methods on dictionaries. If you are only interested in the keys of the dictionary, you can get them in a list by using keys method. If you're interested in retrieving the list of values in the dictionary, you can use values method. Pop method pops the key value pair from the dictionary. Once you pop a key value pair out of a dictionary, it is gone. Pop item randomly picks a key value pair and pops it.